Hello everyone. We're excited to welcome you to the 2025 IECA Annual Conference and Expo in Richmond, Virginia. This is a special opportunity as we'll be returning to the Mid-Atlantic and Northeast region for the first time in over a decade. Richmond is the perfect backdrop for this event, blending a rich historical legacy with a dynamic vision for the future.
Richmond is not only steeped in history, but also a city at the forefront of sustainable development. Projects like Fulton Hills are leading the way, transforming neighbourhoods with innovative approaches to better environmental practices. By improving areas that were once overlooked, Richmond is setting an example of how thoughtful design and planning can create healthier, more resilient and sustainable communities.
Join us from February 25th to 28th for an experience that connects the lessons of the past with the innovations of the future in erosion and sediment control and stormwater management. You'll have the chance to see firsthand how these projects are making a real difference and how the decisions we make today can shape a more sustainable tomorrow.
Whether you're a seasoned professional or a student, this conference is your opportunity to connect, learn, and contribute to the future of our industry. To engage in top-tier educational sessions, explore a vibrant expo hall, and to take part in discussions that drive real-world solutions.
You'll explore new ideas, network with experts, and be inspired by Richmond's ongoing commitment to environmental stewardship. This city, with its unique blend of history and progress, offers a powerful example of how we can all contribute to a more sustainable future.
We can't wait to see you in Richmond, where history meets progress. Register now to secure your spot as we come together to share our knowledge and forge new connections.
Don't miss out on the chance to be a part of something truly impactful.
We can't wait to see you in Richmond.
Together, let's continue protecting soil and water resources for the generations to come.